Let's begin. This exercise has 5 steps. For each of the steps, I'm going to give you a prompt. And then what I want you to do at the end of each step is to hit the pause button on the video and actually do the step. It's the only way that the exercise will work for you. Okay? And what I'd like you to do is to look around in your environment and note 5 things that you can see. It could be anything: the wall, the ceiling, something on your desk. Pause the video now and find 5 things that you can see. Then when you've finished, turn the video back on and we'll do the next step. Good. Now find 4 things in your environment that you can touch. It could be the chair, your pants, whatever you like. 4 things. Pause the video. Good. Now acknowledge 3 things in your environment that you can hear. Pause the video. Good. Now acknowledge 2 things that you can smell. Maybe it's food cooking, maybe it's the air freshener in the room, or the breeze outside. Go ahead and pause the video. Good. And now acknowledge 1 thing that you can taste. Maybe it's something that you ate a little while ago, or maybe it's the piece of gum that you might be chewing. Go ahead and pause the video one more time. Good. Let's take a breath in and let it go. When you focus on your senses, things that you can see, touch, smell, hear, feel, taste, that brings you out of your head, out of the worry, and into the present moment. All healing happens in the present moment. And you have that ability to do that for yourself just by focusing on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take each sense. Nice work.